How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're learning French together. So now we're going to learn close vocabulary. So if you are interested in learning languages and studying with me, stick around in this journey, because here we are learning multiple languages together. And if you want to support the channel, just hit the subscribe and let's study together, because I'm trying to build a community of like-minded people who actually want to learn multiple languages, and we're going to learn together. And because I know what it's like to learn a second language not having anybody around you, so I want to be the source of inspiration for you guys. So let's go ahead and learn the close vocabulary.
The whole sporty outfit. So you're wearing probably a sweater, un sweat et un jogging.
Un sweat et un jogging. Un sweat et un jogging.
I think it's a jogging ou survêtement can refer to
Jogging ou survêtement.
the whole thing.
Tracksuit.
When you go and do sport.
Tracksuit.
Une veste.
Une veste. Une veste.
Jacket. False friend.
Une veste.
Une veste. A jacket. Un manteau.
Un manteau. Un manteau.
A coat.
A coat.
So that's the thick one for winter.
Okay.
And then foot-wise, we have chaussons. That's what you wear
Chausson.
to stay at home.
Chausson. Chausson. Chausson.
Chaussettes.
Chaussette.
Socks.
Chaussette.
Chaussures.
Chaussure. 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 God.
Chaussons, chaussettes, chaussures. You need
Chausson. Chaussette. Chaussure.
to repeat this, to
Slippers, socks, and shoes.
repeat this one maybe 5 times in a row. It's a very nice, I can't remember how you call that. Not in French and not in English. I lost it.
I mean, I don't know how to say that too. What do you mean? Like training? Repetition? What is it? Drill?
I can't remember how you call that. Not in French and not in English. I lost it. The one where it's very difficult to pronounce.
Is it like a tongue twister? Is that what she's trying to say?
Chaussons, chaussettes, chaussures. Chaussons to stay at home. Chaussettes to pronounce. Chaussons, chaussettes,
Okay, chausson, chaussette,
chaussures.
chaussure. Oh my god, I don't know how to say it.
Stay
Ah.
at home. Chaussettes, socks, chaussures,
Chaussure. Oh my god, no.
shoes in general.
All right, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny, dude.
And then on the opposite, what do we wear like on our head?
A beanie?
General way of talking about that is chapeau,
A hat. Chapeau.
hat,
Chapeau.
bonnet,
Bonnet.
the one really that you wear in winter.
Bonnet.
Casquette,
Casket. A cap.
that's the
Great.
main ones.
That's really cool.
Bandeau, if you wear a bandeau.
Bandeau, the headband.
Casquette, bonnet,
Okay, casquette, bonnet, chapeau.
and the general one is called chapeau.
Chapeau, oh yeah, okay.
I'm back to tops. Une chemise, that's a shirt for men.
Un chemise.
Un chemisier,
Un chemisier.
masculine, it's the one
Un chemisier.
for ladies. Une chemise,
Une chemise.
un chemisier.
Un chemisier.
Une cravate,
Une cravate. Une cravate.
chemise cravate.
Chemise cravate. That's funny, dude. That's really amazing. Not funny in like a knowing way, but funny in a cool way, because it's really interesting. Like, I feel so sophisticated when I say these incredibly difficult words, you know? No, man, I feel like I'm a smart guy. Damn.
Typical to go to work for a man. Chemise, cravate,
Okay, chemise, cravate,
costume.
costume,
That's a bit more formal. That's when you have the jacket and the trousers that go together. Donc chemise, cravate.
chemise, cravate,
And when you have
Okay.
veste et pantalon,
veste et pantalon,
like elegant one, you call it
et
costume.
costume,
The verb that you
costume.
can associate to the whole like vocab of clothing and things like that is porter. That
Porter.
means to wear.
Porter.
Donc je porte souvent des jeans.
Je porte souvent des jeans.
Like I often wear jeans. Je porte souvent des jeans.
Je porte souvent des jeans.
Je n'achète jamais
Je n'achète jamais
de shorts.
de shorts.
I never buy shorts.
De shorts.
To buy. Porter to wear. Acheter to buy.
Porter. Acheter.
Wash, laver.
Laver. Laver.
Ok. Tu dois laver
Tu dois laver
la laine
la laine
à 30 degrés. You
à 30 degrés.
must wash wool at 30 degrees in the washing machine. Laver.
Laver. Laver.
Et s'habiller, se déshabiller.
Et s'habiller.
Et to get dressed, to get undressed. S'habiller,
S'habiller. S'habiller.
se déshabiller.
Déshabiller.
Pronominal. So you must
Déshabiller.
always say je m'habille.
Je m'habille. Je
Okay?
m'habille.
Tu t'habilles. Il
Tu t'habilles.
s'habille. Remember
Il s'habille.
to conjugate
That's
everything with the
really
double pronoun, because
complicated.
it's something like
Even my tongue hurts. It's like I'm muscling. You know when you do. Oh, I don't even know how to say it. Like when you lift the weights in a gym. I don't know what it's how to say it. Like when you do deadlift or whatever. You're drilling your muscles. I'm drilling my tongue muscle.
réfléchi. Something you do to
Réfléchis.
yourself. Like vous vous habillez.
Vous vous habillez.
D'accord?
D'accord. Yes.
S'habiller, se
S'habiller.
déshabiller.
Se déshabiller.
D'accord? Le préfixe qui enlève l'action. S'habiller,
S'habiller.
se déshabiller.
Se déshabiller.
Porter,
Porter.
to wear. Acheter,
Acheter.
to
Acheter.
buy. Laver,
Laver.
to wash. Elle porte
Elle porte
souvent des
souvent
jeans.
des jeans.
Elle n'achète
Elle n'achète
jamais
jamais
de shorts.
du short.
Vous lavez
Vous lavez
la laine
la laine
à 30 degrés.
à 30 degrés.
Tu t'habilles
Tu t'habilles
chaque matin
chaque matin
avec
avec
un costume
un costume
ou avec une cravate. Tu t'habilles
ou qu'avec... Oh my god. Oh,
chaque matin avec la cravate pour aller travailler.
oh okay. I'm just gonna skip that.